What if you woke up tomorrow and Earth was suddenly twice its normal size? At first, it might not seem like a big deal, but within seconds, everything would change. A larger Earth means much stronger gravity. You would instantly feel heavier. Walking would become harder. Running might be impossible. Trees would struggle to stand. Many animals would collapse under their own weight. Airplanes would need much more power to fly. Many couldn't take off at all. But that's only the beginning. The atmosphere would become thicker. Weather would become more extreme. Massive storms could appear across the planet. Then there are the oceans. With stronger gravity pulling on them, coastlines around the world would change. Entire cities could disappear underwater. Buildings designed for today's gravity would face enormous stress. Some could collapse, but the problems don't stop there. Natural disasters could become even more dangerous. The entire planet would start behaving differently. Even Earth's rotation could be affected. Days might become slightly longer. Human bodies would slowly adapt to the new gravity. Future generations could become shorter and stronger. Our hearts and muscles would have to work much harder every day. People would need more food and energy just to function normally. Life on Earth would never be the same again. A planet twice as large would create a completely different world. But here's the real question. Would humanity adapt and survive?